So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket. And today the GLM team is back again before the end of 2025 with a huge release that is GLM 4.7, and this model is looking crazy on coding capabilities. GLM 4.7, your new coding partner, is coming with the following features. It is very clearly able to beat out its predecessor GLM 4.6 on multiple agentic coding and terminal based coding tasks as well. Looks great on vibe coding, tool use, and whatnot. Now, if you look at the benchmarks here, it is able to beat out all the models on AIME 25. As you can see, it's the best on AIME 95.7. Live code bench, it is just behind GPT 5.1. That is a closed source model. Do remember that. I think in case of open source model, it's the best right now for coding. GPQ Diamond, you can see humanity's last exam too. I think the score is the best when even comparing with GPT 5.1 and Claude Sonnet 4.5. SW Bench also, the score is quite good. Terminal Bench, Tau Bench, and Browse Comp also, it is able to beat out other models with a huge margin. These are the other benchmarks that you can explore, and there are certain case studies that the team has given that we'll explore later. But first of all, let's explore how to use the model for free. So as you can see, the model can be tested out for free on Z.ai, the platform, where you can see the model at the top, GLM 4.7. As you can see, other models are also present, GLM 4.6V, GLM 4.6, that you can test out. So it will test out for free GLM 4.7, the latest model. Let me ask it a few questions. Help me write a Python program for checking Fibonacci series. Let me hit enter. So it's a coding pro model, so I'm just trying out some basic coding steps. Determining the approach, it is thinking at the background, drafting the code, mathematical, defining the output structure and whatnot. I'm not testing out at GLM 4.6 versus GLM 4.7, but it's testing out and showing you how you can use the model for free on Z.ai. The model looks crazily good on coding, and it is also able to beat out certain paid models too. So I think do try it out. It is able to give us the code. The code is looking absolutely correct to me, whatever I know. You can test it out for more difficult problems as well, because it's a coding bench. You can try it for mostly for coding. Now going back, there are certain case studies. As you can see, it has given a comparison GLM 4.7 versus GLM 4.6. The prompt was build an HTML website, high contrast dark mode plus bold condensed headings plus animated ticker plus chunky category chips plus magnetic CTA. And look at 4.7's performance. Oh shit, this looks very interesting. Quality output, I think for vibe coding this looks a crazy model, that too for free. Now GLM 4.6, this is also good, but I think you can't beat out GLM 4.7 if you look at the quality. Cyber domain, they have also tried out the same. You are an elite creative front-end engineer and digital artist, deliver one complete standalone HTML file and given certain constraints. Oh nice, just look at this. For a page it is able to deliver this very high quality output comparing to GLM 4.6, the previous one, where finance and future tech. This also looks good, but certain I think spacing issues are visible. So the model looks, I think, clearly way ahead of 4.6. Artifact showcases design richly crafted voxel art environment featuring an ornate pagoda set with a vibrant garden, and it is able to output this. 4.7, 4.6, okay, but not as good as GLM 4.7. So the model is amazingly good. Poster showcases design a poster introducing Paris with a romantic and fashionable aesthetics, and this is how it is creating. Slide creation showcase introduce Zootopia using bright colors and 6 pages. You can see the full trajectory also. These are the slides are looking very interesting. GLM 4.6 is also good, I think, but yeah, if you compare the two models, it's very different. Getting started, GLM 4.7, it has 3 types of thinking. Interleaved thinking, GLM 4.7 thinks before every response and tool calling. Preserved thinking, in coding agent scenarios, 4.7 automatically retains all thinking blocks across multi-turn conversations. Turn level thinking, GLM 4.7 supports per turn control over reasoning with a session disable thinking for lightweight requests. And this is it. The model is available as APIs also on Hugging Face 2, on Z.ai for free. Whatever you wish to do, you can click on check out the Hugging Face page 2 for the model. 4.7 is here. All the details are present. So what are you waiting for? Do try out the model for free right now on Z.ai. And the model looks great for coding. Do test it out. Thank you so much.